Alright, as you can see, we made different blade vices. We've got blade 3 here, blade 2 here, and then I just needed an extra prop to hold these two together here. And the cool thing is, the way this is angled with the weight over here, it actually gives me a nice centered look there. So what did I do? Add the epoxy, and we're good to go. Just so you guys can better see what I'm seeing here. Alright. As you can see, it's obviously looking much better. And if we look up top, you can see I've got a pretty straight blade. That was pretty much impossible without this. Without these vices. Definitely could be more better. My English could be more better. But no, yeah, this could definitely be done better. I could center these blocks. I realized I didn't even make them the same size, but it worked out. Got the bolts and the washers and the nuts. We were good to go. So we're gonna let this cure, and then we get to make it metal. Get some of the resin dripping off. Alright, so it looks as though I got lucky. It didn't move on me. It's still curing, so it's still a little tacky. We'll let it cure for a little longer.